My name is Leonard Elechi Ucheakolam, and this is course project on data communication and networking 1. Here we'll be looking at some of the activities. This activity, you assess your knowledge and skills in applying land technologies, network services required by converged application in small scale and local network. Part 1. Create a video presentation from the topic listed. Here are all the questions for it. Create a video presentation from the topic listed below. Select one group of topics only. The video must include an introduction, discussion of the topic, and sample configuration using Cisco packet tracer for each topic. The video should include yourself presenting the topic. For the visual content, the student may use different materials and style, e.g. PowerPoint, live discussion, paper discussion. Note, make sure that your face is clearly seen on the video as well as the display on the screen. List of topics: networking fundamentals, network types of topologies, network models. Group 2, physical and data link layer, network layer, transport layer. Group 3, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. Network modules. So we move over to the PowerPoint. Data communication and networking. So move to computer network. Computer network is a set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing resources. It is a collection of computing devices that are connected in various ways in order to communicate using electronic means. I'll go to the third one. Component of networks. End devices, hardware devices. These are computing devices with unique IP address that interconnects. Intermediary devices. These are devices that provide connectivity to the network, connect individual network, and connect segments with the same network. We move to the Cisco packet. End device, PC, laptop, server, printer, IP address, VoIP device. Then here's the server. The PC, the end device. We move back. Intermediate device. Go back to the Cisco packet tracer. Here's the router, switch, hub, intermediary devices. Then we go to the fourth one, hub, common network devices. Hub is a device that connects multiple computers together and make them perform the function as a single unit. That's the definition of a hub. So here's a hub. The hub is that there. We have the PT hub, the PT repeater, and the cortex splitter. Number 5. Switches. A computer networking device that connects devices together on a computer network. That's the definition of switches. Then here's an example of switch. There's the switch. You have the 2960 PT switch, PT, MT, different switches you can use at your disposal. The routers. The router is a small electronic device that joins multiple computer networks together by either wired or wireless connection. And we have different kind of routers too. Okay. Example of a router. The router. Different types of router. 431, 4321. Then network card. The network card is a network interface card. NIC are hardware devices that connect a computer with a network. With a network. That's what the definition of the network card. Go to the next one. Modem. A modem is a device or program that enables a computer to transmit a data over, for example, a telephone or a cable line. That's the definition of modems. And we can also use it in different places. Application that uses a network. We have number 1, we have games, database, email, video conferencing, and file transfer protocol, FTP. Three basic types of network. We have 3 basic types of network: local area network, wide area network 1, and metro town area network. That's the 3 types of network. Local area network is an individual network that usually span in a single geographical area, providing services and applications to people within a common organization area. Wide area network, a network connection between 2 or more land over a potential large geographical area. WIMAN. Metropolitan area network, interconnects a number of lands using a high capacity backbone technology such as fiber optical links, and provides uplink services to WANs and the internet. That's the 3 basic types of networks. Network design topology, the agreement of computers in a network. Bus topology, the network topology in which every computer and network device is connected to a single cable. That's the definition of bus topology. Example of bus topology. As a sample bus topology, then ring topology. The topology forms a ring as each device is connected to one device, with the last one connected to the first one. You have to make an example of a ring topology. Star topology. Star topology. All the computers are connected to a single hub through a cable. That's the definition of a star topology. So, we'll make an example too of star topology. That's a PC. We add another PC because we have to make a star topology. So all the computers are connected in a single hub through one cable. Completed. Mesh topology. Mesh topology. All the network setup where each computer and network device is interconnected with one another. We'll make an example of mesh topology too. Yes. Yeah. The computers, the network devices are interconnected with one another. Hybrid topology. Hybrid topology uses two or more Defining network topologies. Protocols and rules that govern communications. Network protocols describe processes such as format or structures of a message, the process by which networking devices share information about pathways with other networks. Some of the commonly used protocols: Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP), Transmission Control Protocol (TCP), Internet Protocol (IP), and Multiple Protocol (MB). Network model: a set of layers and how they interact. Two most important and well-known network models: OSI models, Open System Interconnection, TCI/IP model, Transmission Control Protocol/Internet Protocol. Number 1, OSI models, a system that breaks down network functions. The most popular part of Internetwork Reference Model consists of 7 layers. Layers of OSI model: application layer, layer 7, presentation layer, layer 6, section layer, layer 5, transport layer, layer 4, network layer, layer 3, and data link layer, layer 2, physical layer, layer 1. These are all the layers of the OSI model. Then we'll go to number 2, TCP/IP model, also known as the DoD, Department of Defense model, the protocol that is used on the internet. Layers of the TCP/IP models: application layer, layer 4, transport layer, layer 3, internet layer 2, and network access layer 1. All the layers of the TCP/IP modules. The part 2 of the question. Complete the table. This should be included in the video. Discuss, explain also how you got the answers for each item. Convert the network address to binary. Convert the prefix length to subnet mask and vice versa. Identify the 3 types of addresses: network, broadcast, and gateway addresses. Note that the gateway addresses should always be the first usable IP address, while the broadcast address is the last usable IP address of the network. Here's the table. The preference length. The preference on the solution for number 1. Solution for number 1. Subnet length, subnet mask for number 1 is 255.255.255.224. That is preference less 1. Subnet mask, then binary is 111.111.111.111.111.0000000. That's the binary for the preference length 1. The broadcast address broadcast address 172.201.95.63. Solution for number 2. Network address network address is 172.201.95.32. Then the subnet mask is 255.255.255.224. The broadcast address, 172.201.95.63 is almost similar with the network address, while the subnet mask is always different. So now to get this solution, 256 minus 224 equals to 32. Phonic multiplier. The 32 is the answer. Then you do 32 times 2 equals to 64 minus 11 equals to 63. That's the final solution and answer for bet number 2. Number 3. 255 points. 2555 points. 2555 points. The broadcast address is 10.10.78.2555. While the network address is 10.10.78.128. That's the answer for number 3. Then number 4. We go to number 4. Number 4 is 10.10.78.299.129, sorry. 129. That's the answer for number 4. So that's for that. Then in number 5. Solution for number 5. Network area address. Binary of the IP address. That's number 5. Then what? Network address 192.84.235.0. That's the table for the solution for number 5. From this table now we'll get our answer for the solution for number 5. which has been clearly written and drawn here. So we move down to the solution. 192 minus 128 equals 4 minus 64 equals 0. From the table, the 128 we got it from the table, and the 192 minus 128 is equals 4. Solution for number 6. Network address, subnet mask, broadcast address. It's already written out from the previous table. Let's look at the answers from the previous table. One broadcast address is 192.84.235.255, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Yeah, you almost have a similar subnet mask from the answer from number 2. Number 7, solution for number 7. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. The binary is 1111111.11111.11111. Then the preference length is /26. Number 8. 172.99.18.17127. Solution for 8. Network address, subnet mask, and broadcast address. The network address is quite different. 17.99.184.64. The subnet address is 255.255.255.192, which is 256 minus 92 equals to 64. Then 64 times 2 equals to 128 minus 1, which gives 127. Which brings the answer for the broadcast address 127. Number 9. This is the table for solution for number 9. Two, 5, 36, 72, and 56. So from here we're going to get our answers for the solution for number 9. We will start with the first one. 205 minus 128 is equal to 77 minus 64. The second one is equals to 13 minus 8 equals to 5 minus 4 equals to 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Then you go same thing with the other one, the 36, the 72, and 56. The solution for number 10. Network address 205.36.72.56. Subnet mask 255.255.255.248. Then the broadcast address is 205.36.72.15. This 15 was gotten from this calculation, which is 256 minus 284 equals to 8 times 2 equals to 16 minus 1, which is 15, that resulted to this answer. Network address is any logical or physical address that uniquely distinguish a network node or a device over a computer or telecommunication network. It is a numeric / symbolic numbers or address that is assigned to any device that seeks access to or is part of a network. Broadcast address is an IP address that is used to target all systems on a specific subnet network instead of a single host. In other words, a broadcast address allows information to be sent to all machines on a given subnet rather than a specific machine. Gateway addresses or a default gateway is a router interface connected to the local network that sends packets out of a local network. The gateway has a physical and logical address. That's the solution for the problem. Thank you very much.